So, welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking about the law of attraction. And for those of you that are new to the law of attraction and manifesting, essentially what it is the idea that our thoughts and our beliefs and our behaviors create our reality. So, by focusing our thoughts and our emotions and our actions on that which we wish to create more of in our life, and we align those thoughts, beliefs and actions with what we do want, we manifest those things into our lives. One of the biggest myths in the worlds of law of attraction and manifesting, which I love to debunk, is that manifesting is simply where you write down your goals or you do your affirmations, twice a day, and you create your vision board, and then magically what you want comes into your life. Sometimes it does, but that normally doesn't happen, and that's because everything comes back to vibration, and every thought we think, every belief we hold, every behavior or action we take has a vibration. And if we are not looking at the core fundamental beliefs, thoughts beneath all of the actions and thoughts that we think and take, we will continue to repeat old patterns, and we will continue to create the reality that we currently have rather than that which we would love to manifest and create in our life. Okay, so it's actually by going deeper into our thought patterns and our belief systems in our subconscious mind, because our subconscious mind is in control 95% of the time, that we can actually start emitting a vibration or an energy that is in alignment with the type of abundance that we want. So let me give you an example. If you want to manifest more money into your life, you have to look at the thoughts and beliefs that you hold around money on a deep subconscious level that are currently creating the reality that you already have, okay? And how can you change those thoughts and beliefs so that they will then align with the level of money or wealth that you do want to have in your life? So this is where the law of attraction actually and manifesting becomes more of the deeper inner work than a lot of people out there believe it is. It's so much about diving into those belief systems and really doing the work to change those thoughts and beliefs, and therefore the actions you take. And I cover this a lot in my Law of Attraction Mastery course. I really go into a lot more detail about this and provide a workbook and some really powerful guided affirmations and guided meditations to really help you do that work to shift your vibration up to that level of abundance that you want to create. But without further ado, I think we should do a guided meditation now on manifesting abundance and any particular abundance that you would like to create in your life, whether it's health or wealth or, career success or love or friendship, whatever you want. Think about it now, and when you're ready, get yourself into a comfortable position and we can begin our meditation. Thank you, and I love you.
In this guided meditation, I will take you on a visualization journey to manifest your chosen goal. Before we begin, get yourself into a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let your body totally relax as you slowly exhale. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, feeling grounded and at peace. Now inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress. With each breath, feel more relaxed and present. Let go of any worries and distractions, focusing solely on the rhythm of your breathing. Now, bring to your mind the goal you wish to manifest. It could be a personal achievement, a professional milestone, or any other thing that you would really love to bring into your life. Visualize this goal clearly in your mind's eye, focusing on the details of what achieving it would look and feel like. Really think about why you want this goal in your life and why it's important to you. And now, imagine that you have already achieved your goal. Picture yourself living in a reality in which your goal has manifested. What are you doing? Who are you with? How do you feel? Allow yourself to experience the total elation and joy of your success. See the colors around you. Hear the sounds. And feel the emotions associated with this achievement. Let these sensory details build a vivid picture in your mind. The more real it feels, the more potent your visualization becomes, drawing this abundance into your physical reality. As you hold this visualization, a affirm to yourself, I deserve my happiness. I am worthy of having what I really want. I am attracting the abundance I desire. I am a powerful manifester and I am manifesting my goal now. And it is done. Breathe in strength and confidence and smile. Place your hand over your heart and take a moment to feel grateful for the amazing goal that is now coming into your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you are ready, gently start to move your body and open your eyes. This is Jess, supporting you to manifest your dreams, and I love you.